You know who it is. You know what it is. It's your boy JP08, man. It is a beautiful day. Quarantine week number 3. Whatever the case is, man. I hope y'all are staying safe at home. But if you want to know what I've been doing for the past couple weeks, is getting this car right. Alright, so let's do like a little recap of what's all in the car. Starting with the front, we have a 250 amp alternator by CES. All those wires are going to the distro block from High Voltage Car Audio, my boy James Taylor. Got it going from the car power to the block, the starter to the block, alternator to the block, and then 2 runs from there to the back using all Sky High car audio wiring. Lugs, locks, wire, all that type of stuff. Got it dressed up real nice. Going to the back, we have the limitless lithium Cyber 6K with the Tezla TZ4KD. It's a 4,000 watt amplifier. Then we also have the 3 1.5K 10's from Tezla Audio, box design from my boy Bassahaulics, my boy Drew Jones. I've taken the clock out where the clock was at in the last video, put my voltmeter down there. As you can see, my voltage is staying pretty strong. It drops like 14.5, 14.4, 14.3. The lowest I've seen it is about 13.9 if I'm just sitting down. If I'm just parked, not pressing the gas with the car on, depending on what type of note and how loud I have it turned up, it can reach about 13.9, 13.8, but I don't really see any drops lower than that, honestly. If I'm driving and playing my music, it's 14.6, 14.5 all day. If not, staying at 14.7. It's mainly staying at 14.7 when I'm riding, but other than that, man, it's pretty solid. I'm highly impressed with the Cyber 6K. Enough of that. Let's get into some demos, huh? I'm so glad to have basement. Okay, so first of all, I'm extremely happy with all the results. The way that the Tesla subs are handling the 4K, the way that the voltage is staying strong by the alternator and the battery, the amount of power that I'm getting from the 4K. So I have 3 dual 4s. Yeah, I had 3 dual 4s. They're wired down to a 0.67 on the Tesla 4K, and it has not cut off not one time. I've been playing it for about a week. I've been really giving it hell, you know what I'm saying? My braking period has been very strenuous on everything, and my charging system is just like, bro, I got it. You feel me? Subs are taking the power just fine. I'm gonna take it easy on them because I don't want to blow them. You know, you can blow anything, so we're gonna take it a little easy. But man, I'm sitting here jamming. Get another song. Now, I can't play it too much because I am at home, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's quarantined, which means everybody's at the house. So we're going to get a couple clips, but that's going to be it until I can get to like an open space to where I can't be bothered. But other than that, man, let me get y'all a little bit more demo. I had to take that sweater off. It's Messed around and got 70 something degrees outside and I had that sweater on. I wish I could play it a whole lot longer, man. But like I said, I am at the house. But either way, I wish car show season was on, so I can go out here and just demo the hell out of it. But I mean, it is what it is, man. Commenting below, what have you guys been doing with your time during this whole quarantine? Me myself, I have not been to work in about going on about 3 weeks. Yeah, it's going on about 3 weeks. I haven't been at work, so I just been at home, finishing up the amp rack, doing all this stuff. I got a couple of installs that I do have to do, but other than that, man, I have not really been doing too much of nothing. I just been kind of hanging out, man, enjoying my family. My wife, she still has to work, but me and my son, he's been getting on my nerves, and I love every minute of it. He spent 1 week with his grandparents, so you know, that was cool and all, but man, I was missing him so bad. And now that he's here, he's getting on my nerves every day. But I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world, man. But other than that, I ain't really got too much more to say other than, man, I finally finished the build. It didn't take that long. Well, it took about a year. But like I said, had to prioritize, got the house, got married, all that stuff, maintaining all of that. And then I was actually able to go ahead and get this one done. But I love every bit of it. CES alternator, distro block, limitless lithium batteries, Tezla 4K, 3 1.5 K10s. If you're, does anybody have a meter? If you're in the Birmingham area or close to Birmingham, I'll drive. Ain't like we got nothing to do. And you got a meter? I want to see what it's, I want to see how loud it is, man. But hit me up. I love y'all. Peace.